this exam, especially in my last attempt, I had learned the importance of the current moment. That no matter my baggage of failures in the past, no matter what rank I am going to achieve, it is very important that I stick to the targets that I have for myself.
तो फैक्टर्स अपने हाथ में हैं, अपन सिर्फ उन्हीं के बारे में सोचे तो ज्यादा अटैच ना हो रिजल्ट से लेके या फिर क्या होगा, सिलेक्शन होगा नहीं होगा, तो ये भी बहुत जरूरी है.
I used to wake up every day and take every day as that is it. I would never plan मैं IAS बनूंगी तो मैं ये करूंगी. My plan was अगले 4 घंटे में मैं ये करूंगी. फिर that work almost became sacred to me that for the next 4 hours I have to do this. I have to give the next 4 hours my best. निष्काम कर्म योग. अपना धर्म करिए, फ्रूट्स के बारे में मत सोचिए.
I developed the feeling of निष्काम कर्म. वो मेरे 4th and 5th attempt में बहुत ज़्यादा it helped me a lot. आप सिर्फ उस process you start working on the karma, हाँ, and not on its fruits. हमेशा ज़्यादा अच्छे returns देता है.
कर्म करता चल, फल की इच्छा मत रख. कर्म करता चल, फल की इच्छा मत रख. आप अपने कर्म करते चलो, सफलता अपने आप आने लगेगी.
मैं एक निष्काम कर्म फिलॉसफी को कोट करना चाहती हूँ कि आप बस कर्म कीजिए, आप फल की इच्छा मत रखिए. आप बस इस चीज़ के ऊपर काम कीजिए कि दिस इज़ द ओनली टाइम when you are working on your own self.
This was my 5th attempt and previous 4 attempts I was not able to qualify prelims. For prelims especially, to not solve enough number of question papers, and even if I did, it was not I revised all those question papers. So it always happened that on the day of the exam, though I knew that I have read a particular part, I was not able to solve it because I was not clear about the concept.
Unfortunately, I could not clear prelims in my first 2 attempts and this was my 3rd attempt. I got successful. प्रीलिम्स के लिए क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जो गलतियां मैंने पहले 2 प्रयास में किया था वो यही था कि हम बुक्स तो सारा पढ़ गए थे, तो ये बुक तो सभी लोग कवर करते हैं, बट हमको लगता है कि जो डिफरेंस होता है मार्क्स में वो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ क्वेश्चंस के चलते होता है कि आप कितना नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व किए हैं.
मुझे प्रीलिम्स का था बिकॉज आई कुड नॉट क्लियर इट बिफोर. तो प्रीलिम्स में व्हाट वर्कड फॉर मी इज दैट आप बेसिक बुक्स को रिवाइज करिए बार बार. The second thing is that practice MCQs. The thing I did different this time was that I practiced a lot. And I practiced 9:30 to 11:30 वाले टाइम में मॉक.
और रिवीजन इज द की फॉर प्रीलिम्स.
एक चीज़ को बार बार पढ़िए, कम चीज़ों को पढ़िए बट बहुत बार पढ़िए.
Syllabus and previous year questions. This is going to be your guideline throughout your preparation. It will help you to not go beyond the scope of the paper and it will help you to increase the productivity of whatever you are studying. One mistake that I did in the first attempt and in the second attempt is I never did previous year questions. Maybe that is the reason why I could not get more than 300.
किसी भी 2 reputed coaching centers के सारे papers ले आओ. So get some 40-50 papers and finish them in 20 days. And those will be, that is the preparation that is required for cracking prelims.
You should be aware which portions are strong, which portions are somewhat weak, which you need to work upon. Like if your polity is strong, if your modern India is strong, so you can lessen the amount of the papers which you are going to solve in the mocks, and you can instead focus on the things which you are less comfortable with, like environment, culture. I did the same thing.